Welcome to our YouTube channel, Wanderer Insights. In today's video, we will be discussing a topic that has gained significant popularity in recent years: air fryers. These kitchen appliances have become a trendy alternative for cooking crispy and healthier meals. However, amidst their convenience and benefits, there are potential hazards that we need to consider. So, let's dive into the hazards of using air fryers and explore whether we should rethink their use. Fire hazards. First and foremost, one of the significant hazards associated with air fryers is the risk of fires. Air fryers use hot air circulation to cook food, and if not used properly, they can potentially lead to overheating or even ignition of flammable materials. This risk increases when cooking highly greasy or oily foods. It's crucial to be cautious and follow the manufacturer's guidelines to minimize the chances of fire accidents. Another concern is the production of smoke and fumes while using air fryers. When cooking certain types of food, especially those with high fat content, smoke may be emitted, leading to a greasy residue on kitchen surfaces and even triggering smoke alarms. Additionally, the release of volatile organic compounds, VOCs, during the cooking process can contribute to indoor air pollution, affecting air quality in our homes. Air fryers operate at high temperatures, and their compact design can increase the risk of accidental burns. Users need to exercise caution while handling the appliance, as touching hot surfaces or removing the food tray without proper protection can result in painful burns. It's essential to use oven mitts or other heat-resistant accessories to ensure safety during the cooking and serving process. Nutritional concerns is another important consideration. While air fryers are often marketed as a healthier cooking option, it's essential to consider the potential impact on the nutritional value of the food being prepared. The high temperatures and prolonged cooking times can lead to the loss of certain nutrients, especially sensitive vitamins and antioxidants. It's crucial to strike a balance between enjoying crispy meals and maintaining a diverse and nutrient-rich diet. As we conclude this discussion, it's important to emphasize that the hazards associated with air fryers should not discourage their use entirely. Like any kitchen appliance, responsible and mindful usage is the key to ensuring safety. By following the manufacturer's instructions, practicing proper cleaning and maintenance, and being aware of potential hazards, we can continue to enjoy the benefits of air fryers while minimizing risks. Ultimately, the choice to use an air fryer rests with each individual. Remember, awareness and informed decision-making are vital in maintaining a safe and healthy cooking environment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more informative content.